All right, here we've got a blank calendar view of a schedule as opposed to the table view. The table view is the table icon at the far upper left, but now we're in the calendar date, so things are laid out like a paper calendar. And when I click on a blank spot on the schedule, excuse me for clicking the wrong key. If I click on a blank spot here, I'll end up with a list of available people in the info box. It's also possible to stretch your rows a little bit taller, and you'll see a list of available abbreviations beneath each day. Either way, you can click on a name and have it assign here. So for example, if I want to click G Pluto from the list of names, I've got it populated here. The cursor moves to the right for me automatically, and that's because I have a setting turned on. Under the options menu at the top, I've got move right after filling an empty cell. I can also move down after filling an empty cell, in which case if I click on a name to fill a slot, the cursor moves down. And that's meant to make it so that you can click just once per assignment and keep on clicking to fill the rows or the columns that you're looking at. Same thing when you're clicking on abbreviations beneath each day. Now, the list of names here in the info box is related to who can work in that spot. If I click on the spot here and call 24 hour, the info box gives me a list of names, and right now I have it set to show all of the people in my list. I can toggle between the green checkmark for available staff and all staff, and the people in this list have been okayed to work here, and here's how that works. The face icon, third from the top left, is called Work Preferences. It's kind of like a profile page for each person. Once you're in the Work Preferences view, you can click from the list of available people here, and then click on the Works At button to indicate where they can work. Now, in this example, R Saturn can work all of these places. If I were to take R Saturn and say that R Saturn did not work call 24 hour, and then button up some of those windows and go back to the working schedule, R Saturn is not in my list of available people anymore. R Saturn can work my backup row, but not my call 24 hour because I've told the system R Saturn doesn't work there. All right.